Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy credit restoration with Lexington Law, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin deploying credit restoration with Lexington Law, start by researching the company. Visit the Lexington Law website to gather information about their services. Review their offerings to understand what credit restoration entails. Create an account on their platform to access their tools and resources. Fill out the online form with your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Choose a service plan that fits your needs and budget. After selecting a plan, provide consent for Lexington Law to access your credit report. Once the account is set up, you'll receive your credit report and score. Analyze the report to identify any inaccuracies or negative items. Schedule a consultation with a Lexington Law attorney. Discuss your credit profile and get personalized advice on restoration strategies. Lexington Law will begin disputing inaccuracies on your behalf. They will communicate with credit bureaus and creditors to challenge negative marks. Track the status of your disputes through their online dashboard. Update your financial habits to support long-term credit health. Consider using educational resources provided by Lexington Law for better credit management. Monitor your credit regularly to ensure the ongoing accuracy of your report. Celebrate small victories as your credit score begins to improve over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.